Sell stop 1 minute. NAS SPX to the blue line. US 30's already crossed it. Those two will follow. Good evening, everybody. Hope you all having a great time. Hope you had a great day, evening. Been a busy day for me. I wanted to go on so bad earlier, but just never got around to it. There's too much to do. At any rate, I hope you guys had a better day or a good day. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Chris Milne. Good evening, Sam I am. Good evening, good evening, LT. Took my first sniper trade today. Gold. 1.5 by a quick 5 pips and was out. Had a runner, but it tapped out just above break even. Thank you very much. Oh, congratulations, LT. What's up, Kev? Kevin Watson. What's up, Richard? What's up, Tanny? Good evening. Made $500 today. Thank you. Oh, nice, Chris. Good evening. Hello, JTFS6. What's up, Shash? God bless you, too. Always says God bless. Thank you, Shash. Good evening, EA8851. Good evening, Shash. Good evening, D Nice. Good evening, Michael. P&L so far 99%. That's a pretty good win percentage, wouldn't you say? 99%. Jesus, not sure you could do better, my brother. Good evening, Dr. Bianca Adams. Good evening, Janelle Shuri. Good evening, Martin. Good evening, Azor. Good evening, SM. Good evening, T Mark. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Oh, good evening, Layla. Good evening, Kendall. Good evening, Annie. Good evening, Keith Palmer. What's up, Keith? Keith Palmer's in the house. The man, the myth, and the legend. He is the great coding mind behind our scanners and our, well, all the rooms, actually. Oh, gee, did I say sell stop? It's a buy. No, I haven't even looked at anything. Give me a second. I'll look. Good evening, Adam, 1971. Good evening, Evan. Good evening. Great evening, Patrick. Good evening, George. Good evening, Ryan. Sam I am says news. Oh, that's cool. Fuck news. I don't really care. Good evening, Mario. How was your day? Let's see. My day was good. Thanks for asking, Mario. Busy, 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 busy. Got some great things done. Got the inside of the house all primed. Ray, one of my guys, worked really hard on that, and then it's all done. So it looks perfectly clean and pristine white inside. Used some Kills 3 on it, and anyway, so they did all the work there, and it looked beautiful. Just booked a trip chatting with my girl, loving the sniper profits. Nice, Keith. Tell you what, you don't even need it. I'm gonna make sure we focus in on the safety trade system, and then if anybody wants the others, they can do it. How was your day, Mario D, by the way? And T Mark and SM and Janelle. I hope you all have a great evening. Awesome job. What's up, Cuban Forex? Keith Palmer going to Chattanooga. I've been there in years. Used to love it. I get a few more thumbs up on YouTube, by the way. This today, you guys kicked ass. We had like 109 average viewers, and we had like 102 likes. Can't do any better than that. Oh, shoot. I'm not recording. Hold on. I got to get over here to record. Dang, I've been recording all afternoon. Damn. Fudgicles. No, we're recording now. All right, where are we at with everything? No, that's still built in. No, that was not news. I just wasn't reading it. All right, let's take a look-see at a few of these things while I'm stumbling around. We have 1 minute. What is this, US 30? 5 minute. Nothing. Useless. 15 minute. 30 minute. Buy, but I'll check that with the other 30-minute buy. 30 minutes. Skipping. Look at it skip. Skip to the loo, my darling. Price started underneath. Told to come up. Skipped off the red line. Bip. Once buy stop. Skip. 2 buy stop. Skip. 3 fill in the gap. Didn't skip. Didn't skip. Didn't skipped right here off the red line again. Skip. So you're skipping a stone across the water. That's all it looks like. Look at it. And it's doing it again. Boom. Buy stop again. But in the meantime, no. It's still, what is this, NAS? Didn't NAS hit it? Hold on. Give me a second here. I got to check something out. Something isn't right. Let me see what we can see. So we have NAS, 1 minute. Let me see something here. Something isn't sitting right. So that's US 30. Let's go to NAS. Oh, it already hit its blue line. Son of a beeswax. going to go down and touch it again, but I'm just saying that's ridiculous. Yep, and that's SPX. Really? Is that SPX? Yeah, SPX is going down to this blue line too. No, that's fine. So SPX hasn't hit it. I mean, it hit it kind of technically earlier. Well, let me see something. 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. No, 15 minute buy. 15 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Red. Red, green, red, green. No, red, 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 red. Buy. And this is sell. 1 minute sell stop. SPX. I believe you have the same routine here. 15 minutes. Oh my gosh. That's what I wrote down this morning. 1 minute sell stop to their blue line, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stops. Yep, I'm going to stick with that. It's a pretty good prediction all the way through. Yeah, 15 minute, 15 minute to Debach break. No, is this a 5 minute then? It is. How low is it going to go? Lower than that. Do we have any other ones hitting their 5 minute? No, they're all up. 1 minute sell stop blue line. Oh, we have NAS. SPX just must have hit its blue line. And there it is. There it is. There you go. Screw the news. So you have a touchdown on a US 30. You have the US 30 to the blue line, I believe. Let me go back to the 1 minute here. And then SPX is the one we're waiting on. Look at that scanner. SPX, where are we at? SPX, yeah, still has to go down and touch this blue line. It will. Kind of already did, and it's been bouncing off it, all the way there. But we'll get it a little clearer, I think. You'll see it go down. Just like you saw US 30 down. News is 100% total uselessness. Old school trading. Oh, but it does. Okay, then don't trade it. But it's always called out. It's always handled with the system. Simple as that. How do I get rid of this thing now? All right, peeps. What do we got going on? Looks like I still have a US or an SPX buy stop going. All right. We have 2 out of the 3. SPX should go down and touch this blue line right now as we wait. Let me see if I can scooshy this up a little. Oh, I probably can't. Maybe move it down a little. All right, now we're good. All right, now we have to get over the other things. Anybody have questions? What do we got going on? Kev, you need me to dig anything at the new house? Ha! You can put a pull in for me. No, I don't want to pull. Just put. Thank you, though, Patrick. And he's probably not kidding either. EA85, thank you, Keith. Keith Palmer can't keep all this cash flow, spending it. Absolutely, that's what we got it for. Spend it on the loved ones you love. Make some great memories. What's up, Eric? Health, family, wealth. What's up, LT? What's up, Robel? Good evening, good evening. Good evening, Julie. Good evening, Lock. Good evening, Crypto Fox. Good evening, T-Mark. All right, guys. I didn't take a look at how many we had on TikTok this morning, though, when I was on. Let's see. 11. Really? TikTok still shadow banning me. Whatever. I mean, we got 53 over on YouTube. That's cool. All right. Where we at? We're recording US 31 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Yep. Okay. So let me put this indicator over here. Look how much smaller it is. Wow, that's cool. We'll wait for SPX. I'll pull it back up when we got it. All right. I'm going to go ahead and make some call outs. Good night, says Julie. Robel says good evening. LT, that's awesome, Keith. All right. We are heading to let's see what we have over here in the Market Watch land of happiness and joy. Boy, was this freaking sniper on fire today. Even the regular safety trade, so easy, perfection. Gold. Gold 1 minute. SPX should go down and hit his thing again, but at any rate, gold 1 minute was to the blue line. Already happened. Let's see. Gold 1 minute. 1 minute to the blue line. Already did. 5 minute. 5 minute. Nothing. It's going to form a 5 minute break in the box. So it's going to be a 15-minute entry. Buy stop. Do a 1 minute sell stop on gold. Keep playing it. That's fine. 1 minute sell stop on gold to the 15-minute line, but it's going to form a 15-minute and or 30-minute buy stop. 30-minute buy stop. 30-minute buy stop. And then let's see what happens here. This must be a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Gold. It is a daily, weekly buy stop on gold, and that's it. So there you go. That's gold. U.S. oil, same thing as UK oil. Let's take a look-see and see what we shall see. 1 minute sell stop. This is the ricochet. This is a 1 minute sell stop on U.S. oil to the blue line. 1 minute sell stop, U.S. oil. Now, let me take a look over here at something while we're waiting. U.S. oil. Yep, 100%. I really like this trade. It's 99%. Love it. I'm not a financial advisor, but if I was, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. We should sit here and watch U.S. oil. Wonder how long it would take to do. Looks like forever. It looks like forever. It looks like holy shit forever. I made 3,800 sell stop SS1 to blue line in my demo. Nice, Kendall. Congratulations, Kendall made $3,868 on her sell stop. 1 minute to the blue line. STX, SPX. I don't know which one it was, but congratulations, Kendall. What's up, Joe Dixon? Numbers have been low over there. Patrick said, CISO. What's up, CISO? Good morning, good evening. Good evening to us. Good morning to you. Good morning, Joe Legio. NAS 100. Oh, NAS 100. STS to the blue line. Awesome. Congratulations. All right, where were we? 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. Nope. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Nope. 4 hour? Definitely not. I'm not seeing much on oil. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is daily. Weekly. Daily. Weekly. Weekly sell stop to the blue line on oil. And it is a weekly, monthly buy stop U.S. oil. That sucks. Higher gas prices peeps in the future. What's XRP been doing today? I haven't even looked. XRP, do something good, XRP. XRP in the house. Let's see. Don't likey, do likey. 1 minute sell stop, US 30 to the blue line, but it's already up to the blue line. Just a sell stop, not to the blue line. XRP is at 70 cents. Oh, did it not go down today? I thought it did. 5 minute. No, it rose. Okay. Well, what the fuck was I calling? I thought I called a sell stop earlier. All right. Well, as it is, XRP right now. That's all I can go with. 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. Back to the blue line again on the ricochet. XRP 5 minute. 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop to the 15-minute blue line. XRP 30, 1 hour. 1 hour sell stop. XRP. It just was moving its way over to arch up to come back down. That's what it's going to do. 1 hour sell stop XRP to the 30-minute blue line. XRP. 4 hour. Don't see it. 4 hour. Nothing. 4 hour. Nope. Not yet. 4 hour. 1 hour. 4 hour. 4 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. Green. 4 hour buy. 4 hour buy stop XRP. 4 hour daily buy stop. It's going to drop down a little further than go up. Weekly XRP. Hey, we broke. That is a weekly, monthly buy stop. Interesting. XRP in the house. It is. You go, little XRP. You just skip over the straight weekly. Don't go down. XRP. Nice. I really like that. That's cool. All right, that's XRP. What do we have next? What do we have next? The Kit Kat bar. What do we have? The Kit Kat bar. We have Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is Ethereum. Ethereum. Let's take a look. See, 1 minute. It's in a book. It's in a book. Let me see Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin moves, Ethereum moves. Ethereum moves, Bitcoin moves. Just what they do. They're like conjoined sisters. Already below it. Oh, wow. Okay, then. Let's see. Where's she going to? Ethereum. 1 minute sell stop. Ethereum. Oh, it's so far away. Ethereum. Let's see. Are we going to form it? Let's see. 15-minute buy. Still going to be a sell. Ethereum. Negative. Ethereum. Sell stop. This is the 1 hour sell stop I was talking about earlier today. 1 hour sell stop Ethereum. It's in a book. See to the blue line on the Ethereum 4 hour blue line. And then Ethereum. Do we have anything else to call out for it? It is going to be a weekly, monthly buy stop. I'm telling you, you go Ethereum. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. When Bitcoin moves, Ethereum moves. When Ethereum moves, Bitcoin moves. Basically, when Bitcoin moves, everything moves. In the regular crypto market, not the shitty little ones. 1 minute sell stop. It's kind of far away. I think it's an arch back up, but whatever. 1 minute sell stop. Keep playing it. Then you're going to look at, what is this, a 30-minute or a 1 hour? 30-minute sell stop. It's in a book to the 4 hour line. Yeah. 1 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line. Bitcoin. Daily. That must be a weekly, monthly. Weekly, monthly buy stop Bitcoin. Good for Bitcoin if you guys want it to go up. Udashef. Udashef is the complete opposite. Let's see what it did today. Udashef is the complete opposite of EURUSD. It is a 4 hour sell stop, and you'll see EURUSD, hopefully. Buy stop. It is. So there you go. All right, that's 4 hours. Let's go to EURUSD. Whatever I call for EURUSD, it's the opposite. EURUSD. Let's see. That is a 1 minute sell. We look like we're a little too late there. 1 minute sell to the, got me by the, no, don't like that at all. Don't know. Careful with that 1 minute sell with EURUSD. It's in a book. It's in a book. I can do anything. Red, green, red, green. This was a 15-minute sell stop and a beautiful one at that. 30-minute, 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 30-minute. Okay, it is a 15-minute sell stop to the 1 hour blue line. I would play any 1 minute sell stop to the 1 hour blue line is what I'd be looking at. 4 hour, we're going to see that a little later on. Yep, it's going to be a 4 hour daily buy stop. I don't know if it's going to go to the weekly line, but it may very well do that. And then it is a weekly, monthly sell stop to the blue line. And that's EURUSD. GBP USD. You're in the money on your sell stop on US 30, and you're in the money on the gold 1 minute sell stop. Oh, I'm sorry, the oil 1 minute gold. The 1 minute US oil sell stop to the blue line, you're in the money on that too. GBP USD 1 minute. I don't even know where the hell that thing is going. Let's see. 5 minute. It's in a, oh, it touched. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the blue line. Beautiful. Will it keep going? No. Now you're going to be looking for a 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. GBP USD to the 15-minute blue line. That's what it's going to do. 30-minute sell. Don't care. No, this is going to be like a 1 hour, 4 hour. Hold on. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line. Nothing. Daily, weekly, but you already played that. And then weekly, monthly. Weekly, monthly sell stop to the monthly blue line of ERUSD. GBP, JPY, GY, GBP, JPY, GBP, Japan. You're in a book. Let's see, 1 minute. GBP, JPY, nothing. Can we get a 1 minute little push down to the, yeah. 1 minute sell stop to the 1 minute blue line, maybe. We'll see. I don't know about that one. It's going to form a little cleaner because this is messed up right here. 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop. Is there anything else we can call? Nope. Bach isn't broken. There was one Bach broken. Is it against this 4-hour? It is. 4-hour daily buy stop, which has already gone to the monthly blue line. I don't know where the hell that's going. SPX. I don't know. I'm still going to say it. I don't think we've touched it. 1-minute sell stop to the blue line. Look for one. If you get it, take it. In the meantime, what a mess. Consolidation. Where the hell is this thing going over to? It's got to be a higher time frame one. Buy stop. Yeah, that was earlier, but whatever. Clean. Yeah, this is a 1-hour buy stop earlier today. It was beautiful. This is SPX. We're in that buy, actually. I don't know why it's not showing. SPX. It's in a book. It's in a book. Let me go back again and see. That might not have switched. SPX 500. It still hasn't gone down and touched this blue line. Some bitch. Has it touched? Is that close enough? Let me see something. Oh, it did. It wicked down and touched. How cute is that? Those little cheaters. Yep, we touched it once and we touched it twice. Okay, I'm calling off that 1-minute sell stop then. Let me go look for a buy here. I did not see that it touched that. Oh. All right. In the meantime, well, hold on. Where the hell's the 5-minute at? SPX 500. Ooh. Ooh. Can we see that? Do we see that going there? Do I see that going there? I don't right now. I'll get back to that in a second. All right. SPX. Let me see. Do we have a break in the Bach? We had the break in the Bach on the 5. We did. 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop. SPX 500. 1-minute sell stop. Do we have any other breaks in the Bach? No, we do not. NAS 100. NAS 100. 1 minute. Uselessness of doom. It already hit its 5-minute. Can we get a 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop, though? We have a Bach break on the 5-minute, 15-minute. No. 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop. NAS 100. Hold on. Let me make sure it took that sucker over. I can do anything. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. 30-minute fill in the gap. 1 hour. Is there a break on the Bach on the 1 hour? No, there is not. 4-hour. 1 hour, 4-hour buy. 1 hour, 4-hour buy. Weekly, nothing. Okay, nothing left on that one. US 30. It's in a book. I can't look at that. Oil went back up. Hopefully you took your money out before you got smacked. I think US 30 went back up too. We're here right now. Let's take a look. US 30. Oh, we're a 1-minute buy stop to the blue line on US 30. That's funny. It's completely reversed. What is it? We have a Bach break on the 5-minute, 15-minute. No, we have a Bach break on the 15-minute, 30. Yes, we do. Buy stop. US 30. 30-minute. 30-minute buy stop. The other ones were 15. I can do anything. It's in a book. It's in a book. When did I enter this trade? Hold on. Hold your horses, everybody. I got to see something. When did I take this trade? Hold on a second, everybody. Give me a sec. So this is a, buy stop to the blue line, 1 minute. I'm in the money a shit ton, but I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on here. This is a buy back on 712. Why would I take a buy on 712? It had to have been a higher time frame one. Where's 712? That was this one? It was this one? Nope. Damn, I've been in all the way since. Wow, that was really good. I've been in here since here. 712 it was. Oh my gosh, that's really good. So I've been in this this buy stop right here. How many freaking pips am I up? I'm up 1,100. Is that right? I have 14,000 on a 0.1. Yeah. Yep, that's just about right. Wow, fudge. And we were as high as 1,277. That's nice. Well, at any rate, this trade right here. Let me see SPX real quick. Hold on a second. Then I'll pull the trade over for you. I'm trying to debate whether I should keep SPX now. Hold on. Oh, buy stop. Yeah, for sure. Hold on. Let me see. 4 hour. It's in a book. I can do anything. Yeah. It's not as strong, not nearly as strong, but I'm going to go ahead and keep this trade open. That's fine. Let me see the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm still staying in that. Yeah. I'm not high enough, though. Let me pull my take profit up a little bit. There we go. Give my little breathing room. All right. So we're in a trade. Well, we're in a lot of trades, but this particular trade, we're in a buy on US 30. We've been in the buy on US 30 since 7/12. And today's like the 25th. So for 13 days, let me go over here, almost 2 weeks. And I've been in another one 9 weeks on SPX. Let's see why. So this is really cool. So what we're looking at right here, let me pull this over here a little bit, is I can do anything, is 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. Nope. There you go. 30 minute, 1 hour. Yep. 30 minute, 1 hour. So I've been in it since back when it actually did its first pullback back here in the 7/12 land. This is my entry back here. Literally, well, I've locked, and I can pull that way up too, by the way. I can make myself a little more. I'll put it right here. So on this trade right here, no matter what, I'll be kicking in at about an 800 pip profit. And currently I'm at like 1,100, 1,200 pips up. This is US 30 based off of 1 hour trades, but I do believe I was looking at these 4 hours. Yep. 4 hour fill in the gap still has to happen. This is going to go up even further. So that's how you're able to hold trades. You look at the higher time frames. You can clearly see right here, if you go back to that time period right here, I'm not going to pull up the sniper, even though it was absolutely fantastic. Came up, came over, retested on 7/11, which was why I'm entering in on the 7/12 trade right there. Right there. And that's it. The Bach had broke. It formed its 1 hour, 4 hour. And there we are. We're in the trade ever since. Wow, that's really nice. Cool. All right. Let's see. We'll knock that one out of there, though. And I'm staying in the... Oh, I can show you that, too. I didn't really show you that. Hold on. I'm staying in this SPX trade right here. I can do any, because of the simple reason. SPX is... This was an earlier trade today. I did it on the smaller time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute, but I let it run because, quite frankly, you can see earlier today when I did the trade right here, you can see the entry right there. It was a 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop, 15 minute fill in the gap. Then if you look ahead on the higher time frames, what was it forming? Yep, fill in the gap still, 4 hour. Fill in the gap on the 4 hour. So I'm going to hold that open. I'm in no rush to get rid of that trade. It's obviously we could have got in a lot earlier, but that's okay. It is what it is. We're in the trade now, and that's all that matters. I can't. This is where I left you guys off with. I'm taking these off of here. All right, so I think we're good. I'm very, very happy with those trades. All right, I'll leave SPX up here. And it did go down and touch its blue line, so we're cool on that now. All right, let's see. Jimmy Hustle 100. What's up, Jimmy? Hey, safety traders. What's up, buddy? Maria Toler. What's up, Maria? You got a 30-minute buy on US 30 this morning, says Patrick. Oh, did I have a US 30? Let's take a look. I can't remember all the call-outs. When I see them, I'll remember them, but I don't remember them other than that. Let's see. That was a 30-minute today. 30-minute buy? Well, okay. Yeah, it worked out. Probably should have been a 15-minute. Oh, wait. It might have been low floating in. 30-minute now. It had, I almost thinking almost, yeah, 15-minute buy. So it's a 15-minute 30, and I believe I entered in off the 30 line, off the bounce is what I believe I remember doing on that one. Right. I closed that trade down, though. I made money and got the fuck out. No sense of keeping that one open when I'm in the longer term one. Motion at your spotlight cam. I can do anything. It's in a book. It's in a book. All right, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Getting rid of that sucker. All right. Now, does anybody else want me to look at something else while we have a few minutes? Does anybody have any questions from any of the trades today? Yep, and it paid, Patrick said. Nice. Good evening, Candle Envy. Good evening, Maria Toler. Good evening, Sandro. Good evening, SPX Touchdown. Oh, thank you, Cuban. Safety Trade System. The Safety Trade System. It's TSTS, Kendall, but that's okay. Good evening, Sandro. Good evening, Patrick. Mike Galinsky. What's up, Mike? I was talking about you today. Oh my God, I thought my phone just freaked out with that song. That's funny. That's one of my alerts on the house. Well, another house. So that's all that is. All right. Where are we at with everything? I think we're golden. That's how the safety trade system works. I'll go over it with you guys because I know you all are pros at the regular one. We have the normal buy stop right here. Green, 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 green. Red, green, green. So simple that a baby can do it. But we still have some issues. So I do offer a different sniper system, which was just fantastic today, I might add. But the safety trade system by itself is standalone. Very, very easy. All we ever trade is the logo. And we have our bull logo right here, actually. And here, this is what I was going to show you. The bull logo is on the top of, well, we can go here too for that matter. Do right here. This is the bull logo. And all we trade is this. So I was explaining and teaching my brother today, Dr. Mike Grego, exceptionally good doctor who gets rid of, helps people with their diabetes. Extremely good if you have trouble with that. Green up arrows and red down arrows. That's all we trade. That's it. Safetytrade.com. That's it. We don't have to do anything else. You just look for this, our logo right here. So how do we find our logo? Well, that's pretty straightforward. We have a system. You start out underneath. The up arrow comes up. Then it comes back down and retraces itself to here. You verify this on a higher time frame. In this case, you'd probably go to the 5-minute, 15-minute, and you'd see a buy stop right here. Now we can go ahead and mark that for us and see that. So easy. A child can do it. And literally have one of our guys, kids, calling this out. There it is. That's your buy stop right here. But let's go ahead and go back down to a 5-minute and see. Dot, dot, do, dot, dee, dot, do. There it is. There is the 5-minute break in the Baco. That is so gorgeous. Do, da, dee, da. There it is. Buy stop. Zippity doo da. Zippity a. So it's called it out regularly. This is a dirty buy, or it called it out according to the sniper, which is just a better way of entry. That's all. But the safety trade itself, boom, perfection. There it is. And that's it. And then you just wait for this to develop. And of course it did, and it went up a lot since that one was called. Anybody have any questions over anything? You can email in your questions, or you can go ahead and call. You can give me your phone number. We can speak live. Doesn't matter to me. I prefer somebody hasn't been on yet. And then we'll start doing our repeat guests again soon. Dot, 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 dot. TikTok. Anybody have any questions on TikTok? Concerns or comments, or some trades you want me to look over? Da, 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 da. You can Gmail in your questions or your phone number if you want. Right over here. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Saw a $5 million Bugatti Chiron. I can't even say it. Chiron. Super Sport today. What a beauty. I'll own one soon. Nice, LT. I bet you will. Evan, US 30, 1-minute pink reloading for move to the blue line. Is that right, Evan? Let's take a look. Not US 30. Oh, you mean going up to the blue line? My bad. I kept thinking US 30 is under. You're right. You are right, Evan. My fault. I was wrong. Giving Forex US 30 to the blue line. Let's get ready for it. JTF's already in profit on NAS. Michael Anthony, what does that trade under? What does what trade under? US 30? It trades under US 30. NAS trades under NAS 100. SPX trades under SPX 500. Yes, sir. 2 out of 3. How can you use a sniper to confirm regular safety trades? Oh, very easy question. Let's take a look at it. That one is something to behold. Let's go over to that one. All right, how can we confirm? How can we confirm? It's kind of the other way around. With the safety trade system sniper, say on a 1 minute, for instance, what everyone's talking about right here, you confirm always your 1 minute, 5 minute, right? You do your trades, and then the sniper does the rest. This is what happens. This is amazing. This is just amazing. Blue line comes up, then you have your pink pullback, and this is a buy stop, and everyone knew that it has a sniper system. They already made money. Then the sniper came back down again, and it's going to hook. The purple's probably going to come down this time, so the pink and purple both will come down, and then it will hook and go up to the blue line. So that's why everyone's getting excited, because it's forming our logo and doing that. So how does it confirm a trade? Well, exactly like I told you. You can come over here, and our normal sell stop, this is a dirty sell and active, this is a nothing. But with our sniper, it came down, the blue line came down, the pink came up, zoop, came over, touched our red, and went straight down again, zoop. And then it did it again, and then you can see that the blue line actually came up, and then the pink. So that's how you do the trades with the sniper. The sniper makes your entrances so much easier and better. It's crazy how good it is. I was so impressed this afternoon, I wanted to jump up, quit what I was doing, and come on here and tell every one of you about it again. I was like, well, they don't need the sniper. There's nothing that's necessary. But the reality is, wow. That's all I can tell you. It's freaking amazing. It does it on NAS, SPX, everything. I can only have it in so many rooms, though, so we're kind of limited on that. I have nowhere to put this thing. Maybe up here somewhere, but even then it's still in the way. There we go. All right, let's take a look. See, same thing. You're seeing the purple come down now. Blue came up. Pink is reloading. It's putting a 50 cal in the chamber. It's about to shoot upward. That's how it works. The yellow scroll is cutting off this coach. Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, Patrick. Is that any better, Patrick? I'm so sorry. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. One for the oyster. See, there goes the US 30 has to come back down to its 1 minute, and then it will hook and come back up. Whoop, hold on a second. By the way, oil just did it too, but I don't want oil open. Hold on a second. US 30, there we go. I want NAS open actually. Oh, that's beautiful. Purple coming down. You're between the red and the yellow, heading to the blue line. 1 minute buy stop, US 30. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. The purple needs to drop down a little further, but 1 minute buy stop, NAS 100. Let me take a look. Oh, we are on NAS. Yeah, we're on NAS right now. Nice. And we can go back and back and back. I'm surprised none of you had trouble with this bullshit they pulled right here on NAS or SPX, where they went up. They made it go down, by the way. It was a perfect safety trade to the blue line. But I'm sure greedy-ass people kept their trade and kept up with it right here and got tapped out. But you shouldn't have. This is a full-on sell stop. There was nothing for you to get caught on, but whatever. I'm surprised none of you were complaining about that today. Rob, could you explain what the blue, pink, and purple are exactly? Sorry, new trader here. What's up, Rahu? I sure will. What's up, Ashush? What's up, Jeans? What's up, Crypto Fox? The pink and blue line, those are nothing more than custom indicators that were made. What you're seeing, for instance, on this 1 minute NAS right here, whenever the NAS goes down and the pink goes up, that's a sign for your sell stop to come into play, which of course it does right here. The green, 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 red, red, and it goes down. It did it again. Pink goes up, purple goes down again. Pink comes up, purple goes down again. So watch this pink, purple right here, where I told you guys should have made your money. Sell stop. It went to the blue line exactly as it should have. And of course, 30 seconds later or 5 seconds later, they jack it up. But that should have been 78 pips profit for all of you, 70 to 80 or maybe even 90 pips profit, depending when you got in. And then I'm surprised none of you got caught in that, actually. I'm proud of you guys. Proud of you. So that's what the pink and blue and thing lines are. They're what's called the sniper entry of the system. You can see them work over and over. This is another prime example. So you couldn't trade this with the current system the way it is, but if you do the add-on, it's extremely effective. It gets you more trades. So you'll see the blue rise up, the purple rise up, the pink come against it the very first time it happened. That's a retracement of our logo. Price starts under, we're told to come up, the logo comes over like this, boop, and then of course it went up, and that's what it did do. And that's what it did do. So that's all day long does the same thing over and over again. Whenever you see that first thing up like this, blue comes up, grab it, come up. Now I would confirm this on a higher time frame and only trade that, but it is just like it's I don't know, foolproof, I guess what you can say. Do subscribe. Do you do this every day? Every day for the last year and a half. If you head over to our YouTube channel, my YouTube channel right here, you'll see that I've been on TikTok for a year and a half. I've been on YouTube for a year. You'll see if you go over to the channel itself, 600 videos. By the way, we have a new person here, and I'm sure there's several others that are watching. Can anyone speak up here? Everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Should Rahul Barwade, he's thinking about getting the system. Yes, that red and green and purple and pink are my new favorite colors. Yes. If you look over here, you'll see that there's 640 videos. I trade live every day, Monday through Friday. I have a couple thousand subscribers, thank God, and 640 live videos. So should he get the system, yes or no? And then go ahead and speak up. TikTok too, and YouTube, please. Go ahead and read what these people say to you. So Rahul, and see if this makes any sense to you that maybe you might want to look into getting the system. Yes, but I have 640 videos of me trading live. I've never had a losing day in my entire life for the last, well, ever, but on TikTok and YouTube for the last year and a half. And I teach it to everybody, and all these people that are speaking up very kindly, and thank you guys. That goes for everybody, anybody watching. And if anybody new wants to call in, feel free. Call in. You can send me your U.S. phone number. Sorry, it has to be U.S. at this time. Or we're going to eventually be doing these Zooms. Thank you, Sandra. D Nice. Thank you for speaking up, Patrick. Thank you, D Nice, for speaking up. Finally understand the basic safety trade system. Nice, S-Day. Get it for your family. I agree with that one, Sandro. Best system in the world. Thank you, Kim. Sandra, thank you. So if you notice all these people speaking up on your behalf to help you out, I'm not paying these people. They paid me money, actually. So, Raul, you might want to listen to about, I don't know what this was, about 20, 30 different people telling you thank you. We Trucking says, yep. You're nothing to think about. Buy it, says EA. Geo says yes. LT says yes. JTFX says yes. So you have about 20, 30 different people. Lock says yes. Steve says, buy the damn system, best 575 you can spend. Thank you, Steve. Gene says yes. Thank you for speaking up on TikTok and YouTube. Buy the system gives you a chance to win the safety trade system. Buy system gives you a chance to win the safety system. Thank you, Keith. The past 2 mornings, I have woke up with more than I'll make in a week at work. Nice. Now looking to get the sniper, watching all the videos on the sniper. It's amazing. The sniper is just amazing. Thank you guys for speaking up. Joe, Cuban, Henry, thank you all for speaking up. Maria, best investment you can ever make. Buy it, says Maria. Thank you, Maria, for speaking up. I know Maria and Steve been with me a long time. I don't know what happened to poor Moray, John. Hope he's okay. I'd have to try to email him off the side here. Usually comes on, not every day, but usually we get John on here from South Africa about once a week. He's the longest person that's been with me. He's been with me for about a year and a half. Patrick, if you try to trade without it, you will be here watching a couple months wishing you didn't hesitate. That is true. So I hope that helps you, Rahul, and anyone else thinking about getting the system. 310. What's up, 310? Buy the system. Thanks, sir. So anyway, that's where you go to the YouTube channel to watch it. If you want to watch all those little things, if you want to buy it, head over to thesafetytrade.com, all one word. Boom, baby. It's $575. Best money ever spend. You can get the alerts there too if you like. But the $575, just the basic system alone is worth so much. It's just amazing. All right. Enough of that sales job stuff. Let's go back to it. All right. Steve says OGs. Yes, you guys are. Steve is the OG. There's only a couple people, Steve and Maria Toler, that have been here longer than you. And you guys are right up there, though. Thank you for being with me all that time. Someone with big name system and lost $5,000. Yes. Why is your son not catching on to the fact, Patrick, that you're making all this money with this system? I'm confused. He needs to wake up and smell the roses. He needs to wake up and smell the money. I'm telling you. That's some money you're making, Patrick. He needs to follow in your footsteps, man. Do you mind if I ask how much you walk away with every day and how much you do? Are you leveraging? Sorry if I am too special. No, ask away, Raul. How much do I personally walk away with every day? Raul, I have 7. Depends on which accounts I'm trading into. These are just some trades. Where they go, I have no idea. Hold on. These trades right here are open. So every day, well, I can tell you my yearly income is extremely high. This is just 2 trades current. I can log into another account and show you another. Hold on. Let's go in. I have 7. Hold on. Where are we at? This one? No, this one here. Oh, it is still open? No fucking way. I have 7 Eagle FX accounts. There's another one that's open in another computer. But per day, I don't know. I withdraw. That's a lot of money each week. 5,000-10,000 here, 15,000 there. Doesn't matter. Whatever. This trade right here is 3,800. This has been open since 5/15. So this has been open 9 weeks, and that's $3,000 in that account. I have another account over here that's open that I have a $10,000 trade going in there. So, I mean, you're asking what per week. I don't close my trades out every time all day. I have a 100% win rate. I mean, anywhere daily. I mean, are you counting this 13,000 I'm up right now? I don't. So I wait for the trade to hit my take profit and get out. If I'm trading other family members or reviewing and watching over other family members' accounts, even though I'm not a financial advisor, I just kind of give advice on it. It's not financial advice. I'm just teaching my system. I've turned in a family member's account, helped them turn their account from 2,000, I think it was 10,000 in a week. Then we did a 10,000 to a $15,000 in a couple of days. So the bank, I'm saying probably somewhere in the neighborhood. I don't want to give out exact numbers. Now, me, myself personally, or out of all those other accounts, me, myself personally, somewhere in the neighborhood of 50 to 70,000 a month on the lower end of things, me personally. But if you're pushing me like daily, I don't know. I mean, it's just a shit ton of money. Depends on what I'm trading and where we're going with that. So if that helps. I don't mean to hedgehog around it, but it's a lot of different accounts, a lot of different monies. I don't know. I also have accounts with Nadex. I also have accounts with Forex.com. I also have accounts with SpellPerson. I also have accounts. I love Nadex with Thinkorswim. Not too much. I don't use it. And Tradeovite. I have an account with Tradeovite, which I still have gotten with Jose to learn how to do that better with my things. But I love Nadex. So if you're asking how much I make off of Nadex a day, some days I don't even trade it. Most days lately I haven't been, but other days you can make 16, 18,000 in a day. Open up a few contracts over there. You can definitely make some money on that. So yeah, I don't know, a lot. I don't usually get into how much I make. I don't like getting into that shit. I just let my trades. I trade live every day with y'all. I let my trades speak for themselves. That's what I do. Looks to me like you're in the money on the NAS buy stop, by the way. The NAS buy stop has been engaged on the 1 minute, and you're in the money on it. So there's that. I'm one of the OGs and proud of it. What's up, Gene? Is that right, Gene? I'm so sorry. When did you join, Gene? Yeah. I make good money. I make enough money that we can go vacation in Vegas for a couple months. Let me pull that up. We just got back from Vegas a few months ago. We've been down to Disney for a week, New York City for a week. We're heading over to Italy for a couple months, probably. The debate is it 2 months or one for Italy? You can trade anywhere. You can make as much money as you want, trade anywhere you want to trade. I look at it as total freedom. Like people think riding on a motorcycle is freedom. No, I think trading is freedom, because you can trade from the back of a motorcycle if someone else is driving it and you have balls enough. Yes, you can. So I look at it as total freedom. Motorcycle isn't freedom. Trading, have enough money to do and go anywhere you want. I've been retired for like 4 or 5 years. I've been doing whatever I want to do. Just bought a house, paid cash for it. Just bought 2 cars, paid cash for them. Yeah, it's pretty easy to, to make as much money as you want with the system. Look at the money, by the way. Nice money on, you're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on both the buy stops we just called out. That should be another proof to you how the system works for you there, Raul. Those are your trades. I'm going to pull this back in a little bit so you can see a little more movement. Watch. Oh, geez. I grabbed the wrong thing. That's funny. So this 1 minute buy stop, which I cannot get to because I have too much shit open on my charts. I have a 70-inch screen and I can't get to my fucking control of this chart. Let me see. Is this the one? Yes. There we go. Grab this one over here now. Bring this back. All right. So what you're looking at now are live trades called out by everybody. You saw my clients, the members over here, calling out US 30 buy stop 1 minute. I called out NAS 1 minute buy stop. You can clearly see that this is a buy stop once you get the system. But you have blue comes up. Then you have the pink cross and come back up. You can see clearly that it touched this blue line, tapped it, and came right back up again. Now, this is after hours. This time of trading sucks ass. There's no volume. But somewhere in the range of you'd have made 4 or 5 pips. Let's go ahead and take a look at US 30 really quick. I'm pretty sure you made about 5-10 pips on that. Do not forget for 1 second the average professional trader that they call themselves professional, they make 10 pips in a day. So watch US 30 right here. This is a buy stop. You'd have put your buy line somewhere in here, and you'd be up your 5 pips. It's not much because it's late in the day. I don't know what to tell you, but it worked, both of them. System is amazing. I agree, Annie, it is. Not counting gold, oil, or Forex. Thank you, Patrick. Just on indices and TAs, I'm up 243 pips. Just the indices. Nice job, Patrick. What's up, Matt? Dr. Matt. What's up, buddy? Missed you last few days, Dr. Matt. I believe I was around October or November. Nice, Gene. Congratulations for being that long. US going in the money. Correct. You're in the money on US 30. You can close it down. Again, these are late after hour scalping trades. If you're holding these trades for more than 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5 pips, I wouldn't do it. It's ridiculous how slow everything is. Check dish volume in after hours, please, Michael Anthony. Dish volume in after hours? No, we don't do volume trading here, Mike. Yay, what do you used to do? The Bach breaks on a 15-minute snipe. Do we check the 30-minute? Correct. That's what you do, EA, but you can't. Well, you can at home with yours, but you can't on the system. I don't have it in the rooms. Michael Anthony, what is your name? What is my name? Kevin. Kevin Grego. Nice to meet you, Michael Anthony, by the way. We don't do the old ways of trading here. There's a reason for that. Let's be clear. If the old ways of trading actually worked. If the old ways of trading actually worked. Surprised I closed that one down. There we go. I've already got it. Google. That's not what I wanted to ask. Basically, 1% of traders make money. Only 3. That is not true. It's less than 1%. So 1%, less than 1%. That's interesting how that Google changed that little answer. But less than 1% of day traders make money. Type it in, and I'll type it in a little better when I get done here in a second. And that means the volume, the news, the VWAP, anything you have does not work 99% of the time. See, they say between 80 and 99%. It's 99% of the time. Trust me on that. They fail. So anything that you think you knew about trading, Fibonacci retracements, naming of candles, it fails. I did it for 5.5 years, lost $26,500. It fails every damn time. It fails. Make no mistake about it. There's your money. There it is. There's your buy stop. Da, 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 da. Thank you. What's up, EA? Now, if you want me to look at Dish, I can try to pull up Dish and tell you what it's actually going to do, but volume of Dish means zero. Volume doesn't work. VWAP doesn't work. Naming of candle and candle patterns. Tell me what Evening Star. That sounds like such. I never fell for that one, but I did fall for Fibonacci retracements. I tried that for about 1.5 years. Couldn't get it to work to save my life. Fibonacci's came from the animal kingdom, flowers and shell patterns, and they applied it to trading. Talking about the most moronic thing on earth. And I tried to use it for freaking year, over a year. Couldn't get it to work. What works are repeating patterns of my system. The old ways of trading is wrong, completely outdated. The new correct way of trading is the safety trade system. It's very, very easy to do. It's color coded. It's made for beginners. Super great. Phil, one of the beginners who never traded anything in his life, he made $440,000 with a 94% win rate with my system. He's been on my show on this sessions, these live sessions with me, talking about his story, telling about his story. One of our guys, Billy, homeless person, he literally was living out of his car. He put his last money into the system, which I would have given it to him or helped him with. Anyway, he put his last monies into the system, and he had to trade it after hours at a library, and he used my system to become not homeless. So he's no longer homeless. He has $5,000 saved, and he's making money every day. And he says he's going to have $5,000, and I believe it. I believe he'll have $50,000 by the end of the year. Here, he'll have $50,000 saved, going from homeless to $50,000. Incredible. Da 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 da. All right, guys. It's fun watching this paint dry, but you see it going up. Where's it going to? Gee, everybody knows. On this issue, that co-founder started buying at $20 all the way down to $6, which is almost the lows. Yeah, we're not going to do that, Mike. I've already given you a warning. We're just not going to have any of that here. I'm sorry. Da, 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 da. Okay. Wow, and how long? Which one? Raul, Phil made $440,000 since December last year. Raul, his first month ever trading anything, he turned $2,500 into $33,000 his first month trading with the system. And then he's continued to make so much money. He's buying a Bentley 814. It gets delivered. My daughter's birthday, my youngest daughter's birthday. And Billy, in 6 months, went from homeless to having his own apartment to trading on his own computer and having $5,000 saved. And that's Billy. It took him 6 months to do. So, yep, US 30's in the profit. Yeah, US 30's in the profit. NAS in the profit, too. Blue is my color, says Cuban Forex. Cuban, you nut. Best $500 ever spent would do it all over again. Yes, Steve. Congratulations, Steve. Yeah, go back, Raul. If you go back and watch, you can go back to the YouTube channel. And you can go over to here and let me see my videos. No, I think these were lives. Hold on, I think these are my lives. Go over to the lives. Let me pull this up a little larger for you. Go over to the lives and let's see. 402 views. History in the making. 6 trades for the love of God. 1 minute sniper trade. You should read some of my things. They're pretty funny. Thank you, Peter P, for gifting, doubling your money. Here's Billy R's story. Doesn't inspire you? That's the gentleman. He came on live. He'll tell you in his own words. He literally comes on and tells you how he was homeless And then 6 months later, he was not homeless. He was homeless, had to go in after hours in a library. 6 months later, he's trading on his own computer. Instead of his friend snuck him into the library after it was closed. 100% win rate. Yeah, that's the usual. Need trading, new to trading. Listen to Philip's story, just average Joe. Yep. Noah calls out Clark, happy 4th of July. Nope. Where is Phil's? Sniper no sniping, perfection again. I was right after all. Wrong. Did I miss this? Josh kicked ass as the co-host. Where the hell's Philip's story? Yeah, someone should log this on for me. Patrick, yay! Patrick was our first ever 2-time guest host. Perfect. FOMC, bullshit. FCPI, yeah, we crush any news days. We always make money on the news days. It's a job. Tommy made $66,000 last month off of one trading day using the system. He's a senior engineer. Patrick Wynn being co-host. Okay, Phil. I know Phil was on here. Did they take him off? Where's Philip's story at? Vindication. 2 hours just documenting John C. Jimmy. A lot of co-hosts. They all did great, but just certain ones to me give me a little more. Bingo, Bapo, Bango. That's always good when you see those words. All right. I might have to Google it. I have no idea. But Philip has his story in here too. He's a dude. Oh, I think I called it something big, Bitcoin and Bentleys. What did I call it? I don't know if I used Phyllis' name. I think I called it something in Bentleys. I was doing a Post Malone song thing. Speaking of which, we're going to see Post Malone in a few days. We have some other big news coming up I'll be sharing with you guys. Dang it. Where did I? Patrick, can you find me Philip's thing and post it here, please? Can one of you guys, some of you guys find that for me? Damn it. Oh, well, at any rate, it's somewhere around here. Sorry about that, but just type in Philip. I'm sure it'll come up. Philip Safety Trade. Janine sent an attachment. I can't believe Precious still asleep. My God, how could she be sleeping right now? Let's see. Raul, we have guys passing funded challenges for fun with this system. Oh, Raul was asking about the system. Sorry. I subscribed, started getting alerts before the system. I already have 2 months worth of rent. There you go, JTFX. Do it. Just steal the systems. Amazing. That's incredible. Raul, get the alerts when Kev is live and watch for a week. I promise this will sell itself, right? Definitely will. You like follow the alerts. Yep. Raul, we have guys. That's true. We have guys passing all the time. Oh, thank you, Patrick. Let me see here. Let me go over here. Well, let me go over here and pull it up on this screen. Yeah, I can't even find my own people's things. Hold on. So if you put it here, let me go to my channel. Let me go over to the live. Let me go to the link. And I called out 12 symbols for you guys early tonight. I'm pretty sure we made money. Where's the comments at? How to get a 100,000 funded trading account. 121,000 views. We have Tommy who has 2 $1 million accounts. Tommy has 2 $1 million funded accounts, one of our guys. And this clown over here is saying how good it is to get 100,000. Really? I don't think so. What's happening? Why is my computer not moving? There we go. This is Phil's story. And everything. Whatever. All right. Need motivation to training. Listen to Philip's story. Oh, Philip. Average Joe, $440,000. Had no trading experience whatsoever. But the solid, yeah, it's horrible. I have to have Philip back on. He listened, only did his training video several times a week for 5 weeks. He then only traded SPX on demo. Then after 9 weeks, Philip started to trade with live money, and he turned 2,500 into 33,000 euros, by the way. Philip then continues to trade and has made over 440,000 euros, by the way. Philip has bought a Bentley, which will be delivered 8. Philip made $6,000 last month. Philip makes $13,000 a day. Philip retired from a government job where he was making $3,000. Philip has 100,000. I'm sorry, he has a 94% success rate. Let me say again. Philip's win rate 194%. Let that sink in. Professional traders only have a 64% rate if they're lucky. Philip's win rate year to date is 94%. There it is. Philip. It's Billy's. So thank you so much for that, Patrick. You're the man. There we go. And this is that. And again, you're literally seeing US 30 and NAS, and I'm assuming SPX too. I can go to it. Go up as we told you it would go up. Now it's reloading again. You're going to see the pink drop back down. It's going to hook back over and go back up to the blue line. And technically, it will go up and hit this blue line almost for surely this next time it does it. And there's your money. Let me see SPX really quick. Dude, we had a great session this morning. I had so much fun. Oh my God, I loved it. Yep, same thing. Blue line came up, pink arch through the purple. Right there, it went up. Same thing. It's just that there's no money to be made tonight. It's just, it'll do this during the US session. You want to trade from basically about 5 o'clock in the morning. I'd be careful around 8:30 because they released that bullshit news, even though we call it. I hate doing it. And then I would look at trading till about 11:30 in the morning. Normally, I trade 8:45 till about 10:45, maybe 11:45. I'm having a lot of fun, something like that. Abdul, do you recommend trading index or forces system? Oh, let's take a look. I'm so glad somebody finally asked that. Look what we have. Do I recommend trading things? Look, we have such a great system. See, there's a scanner. For $50 a month, you get to pick 2 of these rooms. So for $50 a month on top of your $575, this scanner over 200 different symbols. It trades all indices. It trades gold. It trades oil. It trades all metals. And it does it on all. Look at there's a new one. XAGUSD 1 minute sell stop. And it's a normal sell stop. You can see it spinning. Look at the power you're looking at. The system is so incredible. It'll call out these trades for you. You can take them if you want. It trades all Forex. It trades Forex, majors and crosses, all of them, all for you at once. This is just stunning. Now, some of you, if you like to only trade ERUSD, don't buy the scanner. But if you like to make trades and make money all day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, other than the hour it's closed, you can do things. Look at it. Boom, boom, boom. Look at it. Look how freaking cool. New Zealand chef, New Zealand, Japan, 1 minute sell stop, 1 minute sell stops. Look at him. Not only does that, it trades all major cryptos, all cryptos. Bitcoin, Doge, Solana is a buy stop. 1 minute. Look at it going up. Green up arrow means up. Spinning down arrow red means down. I know I have to say that, but there you go. Look at it. It trades them all. Not only does it do all of those, it trades all stocks that are on the MT4 over 55 different stocks. Nothing's trading now because I'll close. Over Amazon. I don't even know what half these things are. I have no idea what BNPP.PA is. BRKB, I have no idea. C is Coke, I believe. Cisco, CSCO. It trades 55. Look at them all. All 8 time frames, it trades just like me. Look, Keith Palmer for getting this coded up to look like this. But this scanner trades just like me. It's unbelievable. So everyone says, I want copy trade. I want you to do my trades for me. Well, you're not family. It ain't happening. But I give you the next best thing. I give you the scanner. It's just amazing. So no, it's not good just for one or the other. It's good for all. It's good for all indices. It's good for all cryptos. It's good for all stocks. It's good for anything you can trade and plot on MetaTrader 4 it works on. Yep. 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is Eastern Standard Time. Everything's Eastern Standard Time, correct. On 7-7-23. Thank you, LT. You recommend trading, I think, right under live. Name, need, motivation. Listen to Phil. Thank you, Patrick. He was heading for a touchdown. Look at it. Look at it go up. Right before your very eyes. Any preference, London session, New York session? Abdul, you trade anything you want to trade. You under the one session, you'll be actually trading London different things. Under the U.S. session, that was what I trade. The overlap is always really good. That's why between about 4:35 a.m. till about 11 a.m. is usually your best times. More volume. You have more volume to make more movement. Volume doesn't make trades. You can't use volume and say, oh, it's going to go up because there's volume. The stupidest thing I ever heard. So I blocked the other idiot that was just here. That's old school. Volume doesn't work. VWAP doesn't work. Trust me, I tried them all. Doesn't work. You'll get it right once, like a broke clock. Nope, look at it. I told you it was going to happen. Our members told you it was going to happen. I told you how this is forming a new reloading of 50 cal into this chamber right here, and it's going up. And there it is. There's US 30 going up before your very eyes to the blue line. The blue line is like a magic magnetic blue line that pulls things towards it. Is it going to touch it? I don't know. Is it close enough that we just made all this money from here to here or a night when we're just talking, rambling on? And I called this out live for you? Yes. Are you up 10, 11, 12 pips? Yes. Should you sell? Yes. If you opened up 2, you can keep one open? Yes. We have rules of trading. You follow the rules, you make money. If you get greedy, you're a pig and you get slaughtered. So there's that. Any preference London sessions? Yeah, we already talked about that. All right. We have people on our Discord 24 hours a day making calls. That is correct. And Patrick's one of the main ones. Do you recommend index or Forex to trade with your system? Yes. That's what I recommend, both. What's up, Nurijat? I just showed you the scanner. I hope you saw that. I don't know if you were here for that. But the scanner calls out everything. It calls out your indexes right here. And it calls out your Forex is right here. All 8 time frames for the 1 hour it's closed Monday through Friday. There it is. There's your Forex majors and crosses. All of them are here. All of them. And it trades it to perfection, I might add, because it trades just like me. When you see a buy stop 1, that means it's been verified. It's going to go up to the blue line. I guarantee you whatever this is, GBP USD did today at this time, it did this buy stop to the blue line. 100% guaranteed it, or 99.9% guaranteed it, because it has to. The system doesn't fail us. Yep, there it is. There it is. There's the system call out without even knowing whether it did it or not. Here's your 5-minute trade. Okay, let's make sure we're under GBP USD. Triply make sure. Doop. We're going to go back to the 5-minute. Doop. There it is. This is your buy stop to the blue line. And there it is. There's your touch to the blue line. The scanner called it out perfectly today. Today, this is your blue box right here is our session. And there it is. And you would have made how many pips? I don't know. That alone would have made you 41 pips. And you'd have left one open anyways. You'd have been up 68 pips. Just off of one call off the scanner today. It's always right. How do I know? Because it trades like me and I don't miss. I mean, thanks be to God, I'm not taking any of the glory. God gets all the glory. But I'm pretty accurate with my calls. By pretty accurate, I have 100% daily win rate. Doesn't mean I don't miss some here or there, but it does mean that I rarely miss any of these calls. If I'm doing it, it's because I've been kind of aggressive on the 1 minute trying to help you guys out. Look, there it goes. This call to the blue line was called out live with all of you watching. You've seen it go up like a snail up to here, and I'm going to go ahead and call victory. I call that horseshoes and hand grenades close enough. There it is. There's your money. There's your win. Win with Ryan. This will activate the 30-minute buy on US 30. I have no idea. Can you join a square without? No, absolutely not, Rahul. You cannot. We don't let anyone in that hasn't bought the system. The Discord is for members only. Period. We tried leaving it open to the general public. Oh my goodness. What a joke that was. Never, ever, 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 ever again will I do something like that. What a joke. Not happening. What a joke. What a joke. No, the general public are a bunch of whatever. Not getting into it. There she blows. Do you recommend Nuri Jut? Do you have any more questions? Raul, if you'd like to call in, let me know. You can send over your phone number. Look, there's your touch. As called out, as told you was going to happen, as told you what was going to happen on this last one. I said the pink will come down, the pink will come up, it'll touch this blue line, and will go up and touch that blue line. Victory saith the Lord. There you go. Are you impressed with that? Are you impressed with that? Who's out there? Raul, Nuri Jut, Shorty T. Lee, Martin, Crypto Forex. I know you are. Look, there it is. There's your touch. Close enough. It's touching. I don't care. Say what you want. Yay. Completed an utter trade right here. And I didn't even call it. I forgot who called it out of my guys. Some of my members called this trade first. I just looked over and said, oh, yeah. And just wait, because we're not done with Naz either, by the way. Watch Naz do it too. There it is. There's your touch. Sell one of yours. Keep the other one open. Congratulations. I'm already in a long-term buy on this. I'm not doing this anymore. But there's your money. There's your money. There it is touching. Anyone here want to deny that, Raul, Nuri? Anyone here wanted to say, oh, that didn't happen. Oh, he didn't call that. Oh, his members didn't call that. Oh, he didn't call the pink line to the blue line going to the blue line up there. He didn't call that. He didn't call that. Yep, I did. And it happens all the time. The system's that good. You can learn to trade it too, just like you heard other people. There it is. Time to sleepy. Sleep, money made. Nice, Cuban Forex. Congratulations, Cuban Forex. You've been kicking ass, I've noticed lately. You've been doing good. Nuri, Raul, any questions from you guys? Abdul, any questions? Look at it. There it is. And by the way, we're not done. You can see Naz doing the exact same thing. 2 of 3 is an ATM. I know, isn't it freaking awesome? So this right here is pink going up. It's also going up on Naz. Let me see what SPX is doing for argument's sake. There's our money. There it is. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at it go up on SPX. Watch SPX go up. Look at Naz go up before your very eyes. As I was telling you it was going to go up, it went up. There you go. Yeah, the system's incredible. Anyone can learn to use it. Beginners especially can learn to use this. Look at that. I told you back here, so did my members, buy stop to the blue line. I told you I was going to develop. Pink crosses the purple to the blue line on the blow, it'll go up. Pink will then reload the 50 cal. This is a sniper. Come back up, touch the blue line. There it is. There it is. Proof's in the pudding. Don't believe any BS. Don't believe, oh, how much does he make a month? It's a shit ton I make a month. Believe what I call out live for you every day for the last 600 and almost 50 videos over the last year and a half on TikTok, over a year on YouTube. I've been calling these live for over a year, just like that, just like you just saw. I'd say that's pretty good. Anyone else call out their lives every time, every day, all the time? Anyone? Anyone at all? I'd love to hear it. Is there anyone else out there doing that? I'm going to go with a negative on that. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Look at it. And here, by the way, just so we're clear, here goes Naz going up further. There she goes, up even further now. I told you. There goes the pink crossing the purple, going up to the blue again. And there it goes up again. There's your money. There's your money on Naz. You saw the money on US 30 as it happened live. There's the money on SPX happening live. There's the money on Naz happening live. Here's the money on US 30. It just happened to the US 30 blue line. There it is. Boom. There it is. Easy peasy. There's your money. There's some trades I have open in this account, but again, I have 7 of these accounts rolling. There's some money on that account right there. I've had that up there the whole time. I don't usually leave it up there because I don't have any room. It's 70 inches of nothingness, I swear to goodness. Until I make the 578, I just follow your trades. Absolutely, Raul. I'd say about a third of the people just steal my signals for free. I give them out for free every day. And then they make their money and then they buy the system. Absolutely. If I'm not mistaken, who did that? One of our guys did that recently. 203's ATM looking good. It's looking fantastic. You're right. God bless you, Cuban Forex. Every live is recorded and saved on YouTube. Just go back and watch. Absolutely. Good night, everyone. Have a great night, Ken Envy. What time is it? Damn, it's getting that late. Shit, I think it is. Nutra. I took 15 trades today, all blue. Nice, Ramaj. The system works, folks. Thank you. Hodge. I'll just call you Hodge. Raman Hodge. The system does work. Look at it go up. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Anyone here wants to deny that the system was called out? Look at the US. There it is. There's NAS going up before your very eyes. US 30 went up before your very eyes. Here's SPX going up before your very eyes. All called out live, not just by me, but I think it was at least 2 or 3 of my students actually said it first. My members said it first. They said, hey, US 31-minute buy stop to the blue line. Boom, and there it is. There it is, and there it is to the blue line. NAS went up, SPX went up, US 30 went up. There you go. Have a good evening, Candle Envy, Kim. We careful playing his calls. W, careful playing his calls. The beginning, next thing you know, you're sitting there planning vacation with your wife. That's funny. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions before I go? I'm going to call it. It's been a great evening. All right, TikTokers, I'm heading over to YouTube for my final little goodbyes. I might make a call. I might not. I don't know. At this point, though, TikTok, I'm out of here. Anyone on TikTok have any questions before I go? Anyone on TikTok have any concerns or comments before I go? Thank you for speaking up, Ramahaj, saying the system works. We have 10 people watching. That's funny. Oh, well. Sometimes we have hundreds on TikTok. Sometimes we don't. All right. See you on TikTok. Bye-bye. See ya. YouTube. Anybody on YouTube have any questions? YouTubers. Anybody have any questions? Anyone have any questions? Anyone at all? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Anyone at all? All right. We're going to go ahead and pull these back up and open. What a great evening. What a great little session we had tonight. Everybody made some money. The sniper still, it is S-Day. We opened it up from 50 to 100, and now we've opened it up to 140. No questions, but I'm in profit on a GU buy. Oh, really? Let's check it out. Would you recommend him in trade? Yeah, this is what I recommend to trade on right here. This is everything right there. You need to open up an Eagle FX account, but you can trade on any broker you like. And that's right down here. I don't know if you guys can see that with the, you kind of can. Let me stop that scan for you for a second. That'll take away our, hold on. That should go away now with that roll thing. There we go. Okay. Going to buy the sniper. Sure. You're welcome, S-Day. Thank you over and over again. Thank you, whole community. You're all making this great place. Thank you. It really is. Go charge the battery. Tomorrow is going to be great again. Kendall, thank you. I want to see Kendall's GU, though, before I go. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I would recommend you have to put it on MetaTrader 4. You have to put it with Eagle FX, but you can trade on any broker you like. Now, let me go ahead and pull open GU real quick because I'd like to see what she traded on that. GU. 1 minute. I see a little buy here. Where are we going to? What did I call? That wouldn't have been what I called. Hold on. It must have been something else. 5 minute for sure. 15 minute. 5 minute, 15 minute. I'm assuming she meant a 5 minute, 15 minute to the blue line. Yep, that's what it is. 5 minute, 15 minute to the blue line GU call. That's what she's playing. I'm assuming that's what she's playing. Yay. I'm glad she made some money. Congratulations, Kendall. I'm so happy when people make money. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. MT4 is MetaTrader 4. Correct, it is. And you have to run it on the computers. It's not a Mac computer. Sorry, what does it mean, any broker? You trade with any broker you like. What do you mean? You put it on MetaTrader 4 and you can trade with Nadex. You can trade with Thinkorswim. You put it on MetaTrader 4 Eagle FX. You can reference back to it and trade with any broker you want. What do you mean? What do I mean by any broker? You can trade with any broker you want. He has to load on EagleX, but you can trade with any broker of your choice. You called out to the blue line. I'm happy. That's funny. Nice. All right. Anybody else have any other questions then? I'm going to head out of here. Easy peasy money. By the way, we own easy peasy trading. All right. Thank you, Kendall. I'm glad you made money with that. All right, peeps. We're out of here. Talk to y'all later. Sorry, I didn't mean to offend. Very new. That's okay, Rahul. No offense. Tom Williams, I'm with Hugo's way. I hope everything is good. Can I also trade on other brokers? Can I reference back to Hugo's account? Yeah, absolutely. It works on Hugo's way because Hugo's way and Eagle FX are identically coded. It's coded for Eagle FX, but it works on Hugo's way. Absolutely. I just don't say that because most people don't like Hugo's way and I don't really want to hear anything. So yes, you can reference back, Tom. Absolutely. And also you. And don't worry about that, Rahul. That's fine. It's just we're all here to help each other. But, if it says any broker, it means you put it on MetaTrader 4, but you can use any broker you like. So you can put it on MetaTrader 4 Eagle FX, but you can use any broker you like to reference back to and trade with. So if you like Thinkorswim, use it. If you like Tradeovite, use it. If you like Pepperstone, use them. You just put it on MetaTrader 4 and refer back to it. That's all. You're welcome, Tom Williams. Good night, Cuban. Good night, Robel. Good night, Tom. Good night, Tanny. Good night, Rahul. Good night, Kendall and Patrick. All right. Good night, everybody. God bless. Oh, so like TD Ameritrade. Yeah, TD Ameritrade is Thinkorswim. That is correct, Rahul. Subscribe to this channel and get alerts. You'll be back in a few hours, then in a couple of hours again. Patrick, I will not. I'm going to sleep, and I'm not coming back on till at least maybe I'll hold out till 6 in the morning. What time tomorrow? Never know with me. Sometimes I'm up at 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. Most of the time lately, because I'm getting some work done on one of my houses, I'm back on somewhere around 8:45 a.m. Good night. Good night, Estee. God bless you too, Kendall. Just sign up for the alerts, Raul, and then you'll get the alerts when I go. Good night, Dr. Matt. God bless you too. All right, guys, out of here. Let's find out how I log this sucker out, and we're gone. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Thanks for all you do.